So, in this modern world, every other day we will hear a lot about data. Data analytics, data visualization, data self-serve. So, in visualization, so we hear a lot about the very big tools like Qlik, Tableau, MSBI, etc. So let's go in detail to QlikSense today. So what is QlikSense? QlikSense is very simple but powerful visualization tool. Or for the others who are familiar with QlikView, it's a user-friendly version of QlikView. So QlikSense have a lot of customizations for data visualization, a lot of inbuilt functionalities, a lot of connections. It can connect to various databases, create a lot of very good visualizations. Let's go into detail of QlikSense course. What all we will be covering here. So, first thing will be what is QlikSense. So we will be covering how it is different from QlikView, how to get started with QlikSense, things like that. Then moving to starting with QlikSense. So what are how the interface looks like and how you connect to the other data, how you create applications and visualizations, and how you structure different visualization in an application. So then we will move to designing the visualization. So there in different places you need to do different visualization. So it's a trend chart. If it's a time series data, you need to use a trend chart. If you need to show the contribution, then you need to use a pie chart. So things like that. So you will be covering what are the different types of visualization available and what are the best practices, and how to use a chart, how to add a chart, where to add a particular chart, things like that. Then we will go to more complex version, using expressions in visualization. So QlikSense can be an analytics tool. So from the data you can just using filters and dimension filters, you can just get the data ready for the final analysis result, or you can create like a dashboard. So when you create like a dashboard, you will be thinking how you show the default view and things like that. There comes the importance of expressions. So then we will be learning more about how to use these expressions in charts and how to get default selections or user different selections and working with master items, things like that. Then, so to get a good front end, you always need a very good backend. Then we will move to how to create a backend data, how to manage your data, how to get data into QlikSense from various databases like Oracle, Salesforce, things like that, or an Excel file, text file. Yeah. Then we will move to how to manipulate data when you are loading into QlikSense. Then various types of data load, and we will do some troubleshooting, what are the common errors happens, things like that. Then to get a very good front end, we need to create a good data model. So how to create a data model? So if it's a huge data, we need to go with the star or snowflake schema. Otherwise it's like a simple master table, so which is best for which all use cases. And then we will understand how to join, how to concatenate data in QlikSense. Then we will move to QVD layer. What is a QVD? In simple terms, QVD is the particular database or data file for QlikSense, which is much faster and much efficient than normal databases. So we will cover these things. Then advanced data modeling. Then we will talk more about how to create a dimension table, how to optimize the data models, best practices in data modeling, all these things. Then we will move to collaborate in QlikSense. So that is mainly after creating an analysis, how you share your analysis with partners. It's like how can you create a PPT out of that for like people who never go to QlikSense and use it, and how to show your final analysis.